this calculator trick will save your time. To solve an inequality question from a calculator, just press this menu button, then scroll down to the inequality section, then press B. So for the equation above, the polynomial degree is 2, so press 2. Now select the type of inequality, so for this case it's less than 0, so press 2. Now write the above equation as it is. The coefficient of x square is 3, so press 3. Then press equals to, the coefficient of x is 8, so press 8. Then press equals to, and the constant is -3, so write -3. Then press equals to. There you go, the final answer of x has a certain range which is greater than -3 and less than 1/3. So do practice it because this trick will save your time. Let's suppose if you want to multiply both of these numbers together without using a calculator, all you need to do is first count the number of decimal places in both numbers. So for 0.09 it will be 2 decimal place, plus for 0.3 it will be 1 decimal place. Now if we add them together, so one thing is clear that our final answer will be of 3 decimal places. Now just ignore the decimal and only consider the values. For 0.09 it will be 9 times, for 0.3 it will be 3, and 9 times 3 is 27. Now let's write 27 over here and move 3 decimal places from the right and add our decimal into the answer. Now just fill the remaining spaces with 0. So there you go, our final answer will be 0.027. So save this video because this calculator trick will save your time. So for the question above, the speed is 40 kilometers per hour and the distance is 350 kilometers, and you need to calculate the value of time in hours and minutes. So just apply the formula. Time is equals to distance divided by speed. It will be 350 divided by 40. Then press equals to. Now press this button below the square root button to see the magic. There you go, it shows the value of time which is 8 hours and 45 minutes respectively. So save this video because this calculator trick will save your time. To solve an inequality question from a calculator, just press this menu button, then scroll down to the inequality section, then press B. So for the equation above, the polynomial degree is 3, so press 3. Now select the type of inequality, so for this case it's greater than equals to 0, so press 3. Now write the above equation as it is. The coefficient of x cube is 2, so press 2. Then press equals to, the coefficient of x square is -5, so write -5. Then press equals to, the coefficient of x is -28, so write -28. Then press equals to, and the constant is 15, so write 15. Then press equals to. There you go, the final answer of x has a certain range which is greater than equals to -3 and less than equals to 1/2 and greater than equals to 5.